Mediterranean vegetation. Now, the region around the Mediterranean Sea in southern part of Europe, it has become drier in the last few thousand years. And there was a lot of evergreen oak forest, but it was cut down to make agriculture land for cropland and also by animals like goats which eat anything. Now, and it is a region with warm and hot and long summers and also quite warm winters. And in the winter there are also sometimes rain showers. It is sunny basically all the year. And in the summer there's also an offshore wind. And there are some trees growing. There, for example, but they are now more scattered, so not forests like they are more scattered. The evergreen oak also, or pines and cedars and cypresses. And also other plants are growing there. Evergreen shrubs are growing there. For example, the rosemary or the lavender or the myrtle or oleander. And these evergreen shrubs are called in France, which is also part of the Mediterranean vegetation, maquis. And so the troops or the resistance people, which during the Second World War fought in southern France, were also called maquis because they were hiding in regions where this was growing, this maquis, this evergreen shrub type. And the Mediterranean vegetation, it's also a bit in California, in the Northern America, and also in Southern Africa, and also in the southern part of Australia, but basically all around the Mediterranean Ocean, more in the north and in the south and Africa. But it is also a bit by Morocco and by Tunisia and Algeria, and also when by Turkey and by Slovenia and I think Bosnia and Herzegovina and Italy and Spain, Portugal, and also south of France. And that is according to page 1084 and 1085 of the Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, Book 3, Part 22, Regions of the Earth, written by Hugh Clayton, John Coyle, Michael Frenchman, and D.H. Sinclair.